Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a broom at home with paper. First, let's gather our simple supplies. You will need a stack of old newspapers or magazines, a sturdy stick for the handle, and some strong glue or tape. Make sure your paper is clean and dry, as this will help your broom last longer. Having a clear, spacious area to work in will make the assembly process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started. Now, let's prepare the bristles for your paper broom. Take your old newspapers and cut them into strips, about 2 inches wide and the full length of the paper. Next, fold each strip lengthwise several times until it becomes thick and firm. This folding technique adds durability and stiffness to your broom's sweeping surface. Once folded, gather a good number of these strips and secure them tightly at one end with strong tape or a piece of string. This forms the base of your broom head. With your paper bristles ready, it's time to attach them to the handle. Take the secured end of your paper bundle and place it against one end of your sturdy stick. Use a generous amount of strong glue or wrap it very tightly with twine or duct tape to ensure a firm connection. You want the bristles to be securely fastened so they don't come loose during use. Distribute the paper strips evenly around the stick to create a full and balanced broom head, ready for sweeping. Finally, let's add some finishing touches to your homemade paper broom. You can trim the ends of the paper bristles to create a neat, even edge, which will improve its sweeping efficiency. Check for any loose areas and reinforce them with additional tape or glue to ensure your broom is sturdy. Your new paper broom is perfect for light sweeping tasks, like gathering dust bunnies or small debris. It's a fun and eco-friendly way to keep your space tidy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.